Welcome back, timeless thinkers. Today's video is different. It's raw, it's uncomfortable, and it might just change the way you think forever. Why do 99% of people stay poor, even in a world full of opportunity? No, it's not just about the economy, or politics, or bad luck. It's deeper. It's mindset, habits, generational systems. And today, we're breaking it all down. Also remember, I make reviews video about investment strategies, financial growth, financial books, and how to improve your lifestyle because I believe everybody has a fair chance to improve their financial life. Stick around till the end because if you watch this through, I promise, you won't see life the same again.
You don't have to be in a cage for it to be a prison. Most people are trapped in something worse than fear. It's comfort. They work jobs they hate. Not because they have to, but because it's familiar. The paycheck covers the bills. Netflix numbs the pain. The weekends offer escape. And then? Another week begins. The truth is, comfort kills ambition. Your brain avoids discomfort. It craves the path of least resistance. But guess what? Every dream you have lives on the other side of discomfort. I once met a man who wanted to start a business but kept saying, "Not yet. It's not the right time." 10 years later, he's still saying the same thing. Still stuck. Comfort doesn't just delay dreams, it destroys them. You're not born poor in mindset. You're taught it. Generational poverty isn't just about bank accounts, it's about belief systems. How many times have you heard, money doesn't grow on trees? Rich people are selfish. You need to work hard, not smart. These phrases become truth in your subconscious. Ever wonder why schools don't teach you how to file taxes? Or invest? Or build credit? It's not a mistake. It's by design. A financially literate population is harder to manipulate. That's why many stay poor. They were never taught the rules of the game. Key financial concepts, explained visually, assets versus liabilities, compound interest, credit score systems, budgeting tools. If you want freedom, master the money game. People spend money they don't have. To impress people they don't know. To look like someone they're not. We're sold dreams. This bag equals success. This car equals power. But it's a lie. Real wealth is quiet. Flex versus invest. Flex, iPhone 20, Gucci belt, $100 dinners. Invest, stocks, course, side hustle, time, mini truth bomb. You can either look rich or be rich. Not both. Comment: I choose assets over image. Fear is the #1 killer of dreams. Not failure. Not money. Not even time. Most people stay poor because they never risk trying. They're afraid of failing publicly, losing money, being laughed at. Reframe failure. Failure equals feedback. Mistake equals data. Fear equals compass toward growth. Real talk, your dream life is hiding behind one bold move you're scared to make. So why do 99% of people stay poor? They get too comfortable. They inherit broken beliefs. They never learn the rules. They chase image over assets. And they fear risk more than regret. But you, timeless thinker, you've watched this far. That means you're part of the 1% who chooses awareness over apathy. And guess what? Awareness is step 1. Action is step 2. Let's take it together. Like this video so more people break free. Subscribe if you're serious about changing your financial future. Comment: I choose growth if you're ready to rise. Don't forget, I make reviews video about investment strategies, financial growth,